What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video, as you can see by the title, today makes 6 months since I did my big chop. If you guys haven't seen my big chop video, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box, so go check that out, because Lord knows that day you need to go check it out. Just go see what I'm talking about. But it's been 6 months. I got a lot of growth. But first, before I take these twists out, as you can see in my face, I just woke up like 30-40 minutes ago, took a shower and everything, but still the sleepy look, can't help it. Just gotta live with it, guys. And my voice still sounds a little, but the video must go on because I have somewhere to be, and I just want to do this on camera before I leave. So this is my first time gonna do a trim on my hair in 6 months. Not too much, just a little. You know what they call dusting? Just gonna be doing a little dusting on the ends of my hair before I unravel these twists. I wasn't gonna do it on camera, but since I'm gonna do it, might as well just record it. And I have these twisting for a week now. This is the twist that I did using the Aunt Jackie's product. I still have it in my hair. It's been a week. Yep, I've been going to work like this for a week with my hair, and I don't care. Let's do this. So this is called the twisting and trimming method. And since my hair is already in a twist, I was like, why not? Might as well. Trust me, this wasn't planned. When I was doing my twist, this wasn't the plan to do a trim like this. But it's easier this way. So first thing first, what you're gonna need is hair shear, scissors, hair scissors. Make sure it's a scissors for hair. Something looking like this. I still have the package. This is the same shear that I used to do my big chop, and it's gonna be my second time using it, so it's still brand new. I just keep it in a Ziploc bag. Just keep it protected away from every other scissors that I have. So it's pretty good. And since my twists are old, I'm just gonna be putting a little more Jamaican castor oil only on the ends of my hair. Just gonna put it on and then clip. Put it on, clip. And then do it in sections where I don't clip more than one twist. You don't want to take too much off your hair. Who wants to do that? As you can see, I'm using the Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil. Alright, so I'm taking a little bit of the oil, putting it on the ends of my hair like this. As you can see, the thin, you can tell. Slide your fingers down the twist and you feel that body, and then when you get to the ends, you feel how thin it's getting, and that's how you know that thin area is the part you should clip. A piece right here. This is all I need to clip right here. That's it. A little oil, and the frizzy part, the really extra thin area, I'm just gonna be clipping and clip. So these three, gonna put them in this little rubber band, and then I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I got done trimming one section, so I have this section left, and I don't know if you could tell the difference. So So my advice to you guys is trim only when it's necessary. You have people that trim their hair every 2 to 3 months. No, not me. I only trim when necessary, only if it's necessary. If I see like split ends and you know my ends looking really extra dry and thin and frizzy and just going all the directions instead of just giving you that defined curl, then that's when I know I need a trim. I'm not just gonna get up and just, oh, it's 3 months, let me go get a trim. No, not me. But if you see split ends, please to trim those split ends, because that split end can split all the way up to the hair shaft, and then that's how your hair break. So it's good to trim those split ends, get rid of them, but you don't have to have a time frame where, oh, this is 3 months, I'm gonna do a trim. No, I'm just doing this because I can see that I need a trim. It's just dusting, it's not too much I'm taking off my hair. I just want to have healthy hair, and trust me, clipping those split ends, you will have healthy hair, healthy growth. Yes, so that's what I'm doing right now. I already love the feeling. I don't feel any dry here. I feel it there. Over here, it's good. Give me the energy we need. Ooh, look at that. So much better. Looks so much better. Okay, so I'm all done trimming my ends, and this is what I trimmed. See, not much. So now I'll be unraveling these twists. I'm just gonna be putting a little castor oil on my fingers just to unravel them. I mean, they've been in a ponytail for like a week, so they're gonna be all over the place, but let's see. The twists, they're kind of loose, so it's just like already easy to unravel, and they're stretched because they've been in a ponytail. Starting to see my true length. Listen, I'm usually more gentle when I'm unraveling my twists, but because they're like old twists, it's like so easy to unravel. So easy. So I'm usually more gentle just to not get frizz. You don't want to be, you know, too rough. But they're old. I don't mind. See, they're like all over the place, but I'll fix them later. Don't worry. I am gonna get them right. Woo-hoo. Look at hair. My hair feels so much lighter, even though the twists are like all over the place because they've been in a ponytail, but they are just moving because guess what? I got those raggedy ends off. That's why. So after a long day of being on the road and running errands, I just got back home and decided to show the end results. As you can see, I look sweaty and all, but I just had to. I love the result, and also how much my hair has grown over the past 6 months. I just love it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that bell to get notification when I post videos, and I will see you in the next upload. Bye.